Microsoft 365 family. 6 people, 6 terabytes, 0 excuses. The real reason you're still stuck.
Ever felt like your files are playing hide and seek across 5 different devices while your storage screams for mercy? You're trying to adult, parent, work, study, yet everything fights you. Sound familiar? Drop chaos in the comments if your laptop, phone, and tablet refuse to get along.
Imagine the quiet meltdown when deadlines hit, photos won't upload, and someone, definitely not you, filled the last 3 gigabytes with Minecraft worlds. The stress sneaks up, the resentment builds, and suddenly you're the family villain just for asking where the holiday photos went. What if one move could end the madness without turning you into an IT department of one?
Here's where Microsoft 365 Family walks in like it owns the place. And honestly, it kinda does. One subscription, up to 6 separate people, each with their own 1 terabyte OneDrive, yes, that's 6 terabytes total, plus the full power premium Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Clipchamp that actually work offline and across Mac, Windows, iPad, iPhone, Android, zero drama. Picture this. A college kid starts a paper on her MacBook, mom adds references from her iPhone on the sidelines of soccer practice, dad polishes the slides on his Windows desktop. No which version is final email chains ever again. One busy dad told me he recovered his entire master's thesis in 45 seconds after his laptop took a coffee bath because everything lives safely in the cloud. Stick around till the end for the sneaky OneDrive trick that instantly frees phone storage without deleting a single meme.
The magic isn't just the apps, though Excel's new XLOOKUP still feels like cheating. It's the freedom. Automatic photo backups so you never lose the first day of school shots, PowerPoint Designer turning your bullet points into slides that don't look like 1998, real-time co-editing so the family vacation budget updates itself while everyone argues in the spreadsheet. A YouTuber I know went from "where's my file" panic to filming 2 extra videos a week because nothing ever disappears. Another parent said the family safety features finally let her stop being the screen time police. Now the app does it, and she gets to be the cool mom again. Pros call it the best value in software today. Thousands of families call it the reason they finally sleep without worrying about tomorrow's chaos. Which feature would save your sanity first? Comment storage, sync, or peace.
Limited spots before the next price tick. Thousands of families already made the jump, and the regret window is closing fast. Click the link, redeem in under 5 minutes, invite your 5 favorite people, and watch the whole house quietly level up. Do it today and unlock the hidden personal vault trick that makes even your tax documents feel safe. Don't just watch, steal back your time and your sanity right now.